Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you a few tips to rearrange your home screen in the LG Q70. So we start from the widgets. If you want to add some, just hold the finger on the home screen and choose widgets. Now just select your desired one and hold it to the home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold the finger again and use the small edges. But if you want to remove any, just hold it and slide it to remove. That's it. If you want to make a folder on your device, just hold any app and drop into another. Like this one. If you want to change the name of the folder, just click here. That's it. And if you want to change the color, tap on the small circle and choose the color of your folder. If you want to open the more settings of the Rearrange home screen, just hold the finger again and choose the home screen settings. You can see that we have a few options to edit. You can choose the new wallpaper. Here, screen swipe effect, like this one, the carousel. Okay, we can go back to the home screen settings. You can also change the icon shape here, like this one, and change the grid of your home screen to choose the amount of icons in the one row. And I think it's all. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.